Oh man, I'm super excited to explore the Red Sea.
とても興奮しています。
I'm Steve Irwin, and I don't think we should waste any more time. Let's go!
I'm Tomater, and I'll be your tour guide. Now before I start, does anyone have anything they'd like to say about the Red Sea?
紅海はインド洋の一部である。
That's very good and very true. Like the Red Sea only gets 2.3 inches of rain per year. That's a good boy right there. If nobody has anything left to say, then I'll go ahead and start the tour. Now, the Red Sea's average temperature is 72 degrees Fahrenheit, and that gives perfect conditions for our very first animal. That right there is a red lionfish. It's got poisonous needles all over it to protect itself from predators. That right there is a coral trout. They can change colors in order to hide from predators better than any other creature in this area. That right there is red algae. It's adapted to living in deep parts of the ocean, safe from any potential predators. That's a gray mangrove tree. They live on the coast of the Red Sea, and they have special roots that allow them to breathe in oxygen from the soil. And our last plant on the list is some good old-fashioned seagrass. It's got real tough roots to keep it embedded in the sediment. Oh yeah, and one last thing. It's a blotched fantail stingray. You see, it's a real unique species because...
Steve Irwin, and you need to stop immediately. That is no blotched fantail stingray. That right there is a bull ray, also known as the stingray that ended my life. And honestly, I forgive it. I was in the wrong. We have grown to become best friends.
I'm Logan Paul, and I think that is a certified skill issue.